Welcome. Today we're gonna make drumsticks in the oven. And French fries. Oh yes, and some French fries. First, set your oven at 375 minus convection, and this is what you're gonna need. You can use drumsticks or thighs, whatever you like. So we're gonna need some olive oil, Montreal chicken, roasted garlic and pepper, lemon and pepper, turmeric or turmeric, basil, and some breadcrumbs. Now I have a nice clear plastic bag here, and we're gonna put the spices in here. We're gonna do like a shake and bake. So I have a tablespoon here. We're gonna use Montreal chicken, a tablespoon of Montreal chicken. That's it. And then we're gonna come all these spices here, your roasted garlic and pepper, lemon pepper, turmeric, and basil are gonna get a half of a tablespoon. Okay, and now we're gonna come to the breadcrumbs here. I'm going to add 3/4 cups of breadcrumbs into the bag. So I'm gonna add all the spices and the breadcrumbs and give it a nice mix. Okay, my spices are in the bag here, all ready to go. My chicken is all ready to go, nice and clean. And I have this little pan here, which I like to do my chicken. I put hot boiling water halfway, and then I put it back on. And now I'm going to add here, let's move this out of the way, bring the chicken here, and we're going to bless it with some olive oil, about a tablespoon or about 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna mix it up now. Massage that olive oil in the chicken, and we're gonna put it aside here and bring back the bag, and we're gonna put our drumsticks in. And I'm gonna close it. When you close it, get a little bit of air in, like this, and I'm gonna shake it. Okay, so there we go. All ready to go in the oven. My oven already beeped, so it's nicely set. They all fit in here. I like this. You can get it at, I think a Home Depot. Somebody got it for me, one of the kids. I don't remember. And you have a little bit left, so just throw it in the garbage. It's chicken, right? Garbage. So in it goes, and we'll keep an eye on it. I'm gonna put it in for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so while your chicken is baking in the oven, and what you do is, get your potatoes ready. So I washed my potato and I damp dry it, and I just want to show you how I do it. Maybe you have the gadget that makes fries, that cuts fries. I don't have it, so this is how I do it. There's my potato, and I cut it into 3. Okay, just to show you. And then you just cut how thick you want your potatoes to be. And there you go. And there's your French fries. So you can make them any way. Maybe you want them thicker, like a wedge cut. You know, you can go like that big, this size, this way, whichever way you like your potato to be. I like them like this. And then put some vegetable oil in your pot. I have this pot for French fries. I filled it up with half of vegetable oil. Get it all ready while the chicken is cooking. Okay, I got a little bit busy there, so it's a half an hour. That's okay, as long as they don't burn. So after, well, half an hour now, flip them over and put them back. We'll see in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. You know, it depends on the chicken also, eh? Look, now these ones are nice and big plump here. That one is a little bit small. So when it comes to chicken, I like my chicken to be well done. So I'm gonna flip them over and, you know, we'll come back in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the chicken to bake, I already did. I put my oven, my stove on high here for the oil to get warmed up for my French fries. So my fries are ready here. I'm gonna put them in the basket. Well, I'm gonna have to do 2 batches. And as soon as the oil is ready, we're gonna put them in. Okay, so after about almost 20 minutes, it looks good, my chicken. So 30, 40, 45 minutes to 50. Again, depending on your chicken. Now, if you set your oven at 400, you want it to cook faster, it'll take less. But I like 375. That way I know my chicken inside is nice and well done. So now I'm going to shut my oven off and I'm going to leave it inside because it still has some heat. Keep it nice and warm until my fries are done. Okay, so our oil looks like it's bubbling. So what I do is I get a potato and just put it in there. See, it's bubbling? It's ready. And put them in there until they cook. Well, my fries are almost done. While my fries were cooking, I was busy making a nice garden salad. Okay, they look nice. I don't want to burn them, so they're nice. Look at that, nice and golden. Shake them out and leave, oops, wrong one, let them strain there. And meanwhile, I got a paper towel. I'm gonna put them on the paper towel. Shake off the excess oil here and bring them over. There we go. Oops, they fell here. They're hot. And while they're hot, you're going to put a little bit of salt. Again, to your taste. And I'm gonna put the other batch in. Okay, so we're ready to go. Our chicken is nicely browned and cooked. Our potatoes are nicely golden, and our salad is yummy and delicious and fresh. So we're gonna put it together on a plate and bon appetit. Well, there's my plate. I'm ready to go. So enjoy. Share your food. Isn't that look yummy? So enjoy. Always eat it in good health. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless.